Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll be sharing how you can run C and C++ file in your Visual Studio Code, and at the end of the video, I'll be running this code to make sure that everything works fine in your VS Code. Okay, so basically to get started, we will need two extensions, basically C and C++ from Microsoft and Code Runner, which is used to run our C and C programming code. Okay, so basically, when you directly come to C programming file, as you can see below over here, please install CLang or check configuration. So basically, it says that C language compiler is not being installed. To just get installed, just click on it. It will be redirected to their official website. As you can see here, it is. And after coming to this page, just click on download. It will be redirected to LLVM download page. It's basically a compiler. Okay, you can download any of the versions. I'm going the latest version, which is 15.0.7. Just click on page over here. As you can see, click on page. It will be redirected to GitHub, and we will be downloading Windows 64. Okay, so basically, if you are in Windows 32-bit, and you can also download that one as well. Basically, if you can see here, there is option for LLVM 15.0.7 Windows 64.exe. If you are in 32 bits, you can download Windows 32.exe. I'm going with LLVM 15.0.7 Windows 64. Okay, so I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install. Just click on it, download will come, and just install it. Okay, so basically after installing it, you'll see this file. Okay, so MinGW get setup exe. This is also another compiler, just to make sure that everything works fine. Both are the compilers which have their own advantages. Okay, so basically after downloading this, let us download this one. Okay, so basically come on to this page. The link is in the description. Make sure to click it, and you'll be redirected to this page. Just click on download. Download will come, and you will be downloaded, and you will get this file. Okay, so basically to get started, just click on it. It will open a setup file. Okay, and just click on install. Make sure you remember this directory. So we are gonna have some environment variables at the end. You can change it even. Just let it be in C drive. Just click on continue. It will be installed. Okay, I'll be back when it completes installation. Okay, so as you can see, everything installation is being completed. Just click on continue, and it will be showing us install as well. Okay, as you can see, this window will open for you as well, and after that click on Windows 32, Windows GW32, GCC and G++. Just click on it over here, checkbox, and click on mark for installation, and we'll be downloading MinGW base. Okay, so click on it and mark for installation. As you can see, we have selected two of this, and just click on installation over here and apply changes. Okay, so basically after that applying it, it will download all the required packages which we have selected over here. Just click on apply. It will be downloaded, and I'll be back when it completes its downloads. Okay, so as you can see, all the changes were applied successfully, so we can close this window over here. Just click on close, and we can close this as well. So we have installed our first compiler, and the second compiler is LLVM. Just click on it. It will open an exe file to install this. Okay, it's coming here. Okay, as you can see, as I already installed, it is showing like that, and you will be directly redirected to installation page. I'll be reinstalling and showing it. Okay, just click on no, not no. For me, it's no. Just click on next, and this is just agreement. Just click on agree, and as you can see, just click on add LLVM to the system path for all of the users. Okay, so basically, if you want for current user only, you can click on current user. I'm going with add LLVM to system path for all users. Just click on next. Make sure this file path is correct. Just let it be in C program files and LLVM. Just click on next. Let it be like this only. Just click on install. The installation will complete, and I'll be back when the installation is being completed. So as you can see, it is completed. It's extracting an installation. Just click on finish. So just open your Explorer and head over to C drive. Okay, so basically we have installed both of the compilers in C drive. Okay, so basically head over to MinGW, click on bin and copy the path. Just Control and C, and head over to search bar and search environment. Okay, so basically env, it will come. Just click on it, and after that just click on environment variables over here. Just double click on path, click on new, and paste the path which we have just copied. Okay, so basically MinGW and bin. Just click on okay, and after that we'll be having another one. Yeah, so basically we have installed two, right? Two program. Just head over to program files, and we have installed LLVM. Just click on LLVM and just click on bin. Just copy the path over here, and just come over to environment variables again, and just Let us click OK and just again click on environment variables, double click on path, click on new and paste the path over here, LLVM bin. Just click OK and OK and just close this. Okay, so everything has been set up. So now let us try running our code in Visual Studio Code. So basically we have installed Code Runner extension over there, and you can directly run over here by just click on run code. So let us first try by terminal. Okay, so basically control and backsticks to open terminal, and you have to type gcc -o program and program one. This is a file name. Okay, and this is the file name which is to be created. Let's say if we type program one. Okay, so basically program one and program one.c. Okay, so basically click on enter, a new program one.exe will be created. So basically to run this, you just have to type /program one, as we have created program one.file. Okay, just click on it and enter it. As you can see, enter two numbers, which is our code in C program file. Just let us say 2 and 2. As you can see, addition of 2 and 2 is 4. So basically we have typed the same thing. This is guys how you can run C and C++ code on VS Studio Code. So this is guys, if the video was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you all. Bye bye.